Today we are going to see a very interesting project by using the Raspberry Pi Zero. So this is a Raspberry Pi Zero board. So this is the smallest version of Raspberry Pi. So where we are not going to use any image processing, audio processing, high-speed application, we can easily go with the Zero for the cost-effective projects and products actually. And also for compactable. So very compact in size. So we can go for Raspberry Pi Zero. And along with the Raspberry Pi Zero, what I am going to do today is I am just going to connect the DH11 temperature humidity sensor, buzzer, rain sensor, and an LCD, 16:2 character LCD, all those things to the Raspberry Pi Zero. And from the sensors, all the three sensors, all the three parameters actually, temperature, humidity, and rainfall, I'm going to collect the data and pass it to the IoT Blynk application. And from the Blynk application, we can see it from anywhere from the world. So basically, this is a Raspberry Pi Zero Wi-Fi. So it has an integrated Wi-Fi which can be directly connected to the internet, and we can get the data from the sensors, and we can easily pass it to the Blynk application or adapter, things pick any IoT platform. And here I am going to use the Blynk. And the programming language, we can either use a Python, C++, JavaScript, anything. And today I am going to use the JavaScript. So today I am going to use the JavaScript for passing the data from the sensors to the Blynk application, and also to display it in the 16:2 character LCD. So let us test the project. So first of all, we have to turn on the mobile hotspot so that the Raspberry Pi can automatically connect to the hotspot server and act as a client. And then we need to know the IP address of the Raspberry Pi to get into connection like VNC or PuTTY or some other SSH clients. So first of all, I'm going to see the I just want to know the IP address. So just opening the network utility softwares and just scanning to get the IP address, and I can find the IP address of the Raspberry Pi is actually 192.168.154. This is what I need, and I can directly go back to the SSH client application and enter the IP address there. So we know the IP address is 192.168.43. Usually mobile phones will give the series of 43, and the device address is 154. I'm just clicking on OK. So the IP address is configured, and now I just need to connect it. Okay, it is asking, it got the connection actually with the Pi, and it is asking for the username. So I just need to enter the username as Pi. Okay, and I have already configured the password into Pi. That will be easy, right? 2 words, 2 characters. So and Pi and Pi. So I got into the screen, and next I want to run the project. I'm just going to use the up button. I'm very lazy to type it again, so I'm just going to use the up button. So by pressing the up button, I can get the commands I have entered previously. So node./project.js is the command we need to execute the project. So the script for running the code is the node./project.js for the JavaScript. So node.js. So I have to enter the execution command. So the command is executed. So after executing the command, I am just sending it to the Pi. So the command is sent to the Pi. Okay, so now it got booted. So as you can see, it is connected to the Blynk application, and also you can see the temperature humidity data in the screen. So this is the temperature humidity data in the screen that we got. So now we can also see it in the LCD display. So as of now, the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 52%. No rain found since the sensor is in open loop. No rain is found. I'm just shorting the sensor. So now you can see the rainfall found. So sound. If I take this, no rainfall sound, and this data will be updated in the shell screen also. So this is how we can see it in the local, and now we also need to see it in the cloud, right? So that is the Blynk application. So I'm just opening the Blynk application. So you can see the temperature, humidity and the rainfall data here. So I'm just connecting it again, and you can see it's detected. Okay, so this is how we can test the rainfall and also the temperature. So this is the temperature sensor. By pressing the hand in the temperature sensor, we can see the rise also by transferring the body temperature to the sensor. Okay, so I'm just giving the body temperature to the sensor, and you can see it is 28 and the humidity becomes 74, 75. So for the humidity it is giving the buzzer actually. So and you can see it in the graph also. So it is increased. Okay. So this is how we can have the entire setup. So this is Raspberry Pi Zero W based temperature, humidity and rainfall monitoring system using Blynk application as an IoT application. Okay. So this is how it works. Thank you.